you know how I've been talking about, well, about Miley's puppies? Miley and puppies, she had them last night. She had about 5, so, she has 3 boys and 2 girls. She had 5 puppies. After the runt. That's just the smallest one. It's a girl. I'll give you the female. Anyway, here's Miley's puppies. Yeah, Miley, let me see one. Hey, cute. That's puppy number 1. That's the boy. And this is the girl. That's Miley's puppy. I think this is the runt. But, you know, I'm going to keep the girl one and name it, well, it's already named Demi. Here's another. This is the boy, I think. Yeah, boy. See, ain't they cute? They're trying to nurse. Cute. And Miley's well, clean them up. Ain't they cute? They're cute. Y'all want another sneak peek? Let me get this one. That's Miley's puppy. Thank you. Oh, and I think this is the one. I think this is Demi. Demi Madison. Ain't she cute? This is Demi Madison, the girl, but I'm going to repeat. Miley, look at the camera. They're eating right now. Anyway, that is all the puppies. Whenever they get older, like, I'll make more videos of them. Well, like videotape when they get older. See that? That's all. Well, let's see if I can zoom in so y'all can see them. Because they're... well, anyway, that's the puppies. But if y'all want to know, Miley, can I see another? No. Eva, Miley's puppy. Another. This is the boy, I think. But it's cute. And it's Miley. He's cute. Okay, we're gonna let them nurse now. Alright, that's all. Alright, I'll let you put these and thanks for watching.